travel Meniyawa. Explore the beauty of the paradise. Hello, travelers. How's it going? It's another familiar day, and once again, we're here with Travel Meniyawa. Today, we're heading off on another beautiful adventure. Join us, and let's explore together. So, if I talk about today's journey, we're heading to another beautiful waterfall in Sri Lanka. And this one is called Gartmore Falls, located in the Maskeliya area, one of the most stunning waterfalls you'll find. So, let's begin our journey. This is Travel Meniyawa. Right now, we're at the Arawa Junction. If you come about 4.7 kilometers from the town of Balangoda, you'll come across this junction. From here, we need to head towards the town of Bagawantalawa. It's around 42 kilometers from here, so let's get going to Bagawantalawa. The road leading to Bagawantalawa is honestly one of the most beautiful routes. Lush tea plantations, scenic mountain ranges, and stunning natural beauty surround the way. Along this route, you'll even see Dethanagala Mountain, and it just makes you realize how incredibly beautiful Sri Lanka really is. You'll also come across so many different types of natural landscapes along the way. So, let's keep moving through all this breathtaking scenery on our way to Bagawantalawa. All right, now we're in the town of Bagawantalawa. Most of the people living here are from the Tamil community. From Bagawantalawa, our next destination is the Norwood Upcott Road. After traveling about 13 kilometers, we'll reach the turning point to that road. So this is the turn from Bhagawantalawa onto the Norwood Upcott Road. Now, if you check the map, you'll see multiple routes to Gartmore Falls. But this road is the one that gives the easiest access, taking you closest to the waterfall. After turning onto the Norwood Upcott Road, we need to travel up to the Vinayagar Coville. You can use a map for this. It's the better option because there are several routes connected within the Norwood Upcott Road. Vinayagar Coville, it's now easy to reach Gartmore Falls. Just use the map. This is the location near the Vinayagar Coville. Now we're quite close to our final destination, Gartmore Falls. The path leading down to the base of the waterfall is a bit tough. But that's no surprise. They say to witness something truly beautiful, you always have to face a little challenge at the end. All right, so here we are, finally at our destination. This is the beautiful Gartmore Falls, a breathtaking creation of nature. It's also commonly known as Sri Pada Falls, or Adams Peak Fall, since it's located close to the sacred Adams Peak. But because the waterfall lies within the Gartmore estate, most people simply call it Gartmore Falls. The waterfall is fed by two streams that join together before falling into the Maskeliya reservoir. Both of these streams create their own small falls within the estate before merging into this stunning drop. That's why they're often referred to together as the Gartmore Estate Waterfalls. It's such a peaceful, beautiful place. And once you're here, you really feel the magic of nature. So, that's the end of our journey for today. What a peaceful and beautiful place, right? Gartmore Falls truly gave us something special. If you liked this trip, don't forget to give the video a like, drop a comment, and tell me what you think. And hey, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button too. I'll see you again in the next adventure. Until then, keep traveling, keep exploring. This is Travel Meniyawa, signing off.